Revolutionize your weight loss. Top 5 easy changes. Ever get the feeling you're on the cusp of a breakthrough with your weight loss, but something's missing? What if I told you that with just a few simple tweaks, the pieces could fall right into place? Weight loss doesn't have to be a battle against willpower. Sometimes it's the small changes that ignite the biggest transformations. First, let's look at our eating speed. Slowing down can significantly enhance how your body processes food and, surprisingly, how much you consume. Second, switching to smaller plates. It's not just psychological. It helps you eat less without feeling deprived. Third is the magic of meal prepping. It's not just a trend, it's a lifestyle change that ensures healthy choices are always at your fingertips. Fourth, consider the quality of your sleep. It's as critical as diet and exercise, yet often neglected. And fifth, the power of writing it down. Keeping a food diary can be an eye-opening experience, revealing more than just calories. These changes don't ask you to overhaul your life, just to adjust the sails. And sometimes, that's all it takes to catch the right wind.